Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Made by Yuma. In today's video we are going to see a small crochet earring, which is easy to make and it is beginner friendly as well. So you can try different color combinations. Here I have tried maroon and yellow color. You can try pink and blue, or you can try a single color instead of two colors. So in this tutorial I'm gonna use two different colors and use the crochet hook that matches the yarn, and you need a earring hook. So first let's get started. Let's take the maroon color yarn and bring it around your index finger to make a magic circle. So if you are a beginner, you can check out my videos on how to make basic crochet stitches like magic circle, chain, single crochet, double crochet. I'll provide you the link in this video's description box. So make a knot here, then make one chain stitch and then insert the hook into the loop and then yarn over, pull through the two loops. So this forms a single crochet. You have to make 12 such single crochet here. So continue to make 12 single crochet and I'll meet you at the end of the 12th stitch. So here I have made 12 single crochet and I'm going to complete the circle here by connecting to the first um, stitch that we created at the beginning. Insert into the chain, the second chain from the bottom, and create a slip stitch. So this completes the magic circle. You can shrink the size of the center further down by pulling the string at the back, then introduce another color, which is the yellow color, then pull the tail ends of the yellow color and the red color just to secure the thread, yellow thread. Then create 3 chain stitch, chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. Skip the first chain and insert the crochet hook into the second chain to form a slip stitch, and then insert the hook into the third chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This forms a single crochet. Then skip the first chain and insert into the second chain stitch to form a slip stitch. So this forms one part of the star. Again repeat this pattern, chain 3, skip the first chain and create a slip stitch into the second chain and a single crochet in the third chain, and skip the first chain and insert the hook into the second chain to form a slip stitch. Then create the third part of the star, which is chain 3, skip the first chain and slip stitch into the second chain. The third chain, create a single crochet and insert the hook into the second chain from the stitch and create a slip stitch. So in this way continue making the remaining 3 parts of the star, and I will meet you once I'm done with all the 6 parts. So friends, I have completed 5 petals and I'm working at the 6th petal of the chain and inserting into the second chain from that point to create a slip stitch. And then you can pull the thread and trim that yarn So now the star pattern is complete. So we will see how to sew the tail ends of the yarn at the back side of the star. You can use a sewing needle, or you can use a crochet hook itself to sew the ends. So first of all, cut the maroon colored yarn, the excess part, and then we can start working with the insert the
loop.
hook into the adjacent stitches and then start pulling the tail end. So repeat this for 3 to 4 times and then you can remove the excess yarn. So in this way you can hide all the tail ends. See, the star is completed. This is the back side of the star, and let's see how to insert a hook into the, that is, the earring hook into the star which is made. So we can either insert into the edge of the star, or you can insert into the intersection of two wings of the star. I'm gonna insert at the intersection, find a chain stitch, and then put it inside the hook. You have to press it a little to get the thread into the hook. So this is done. Alternatively, you can use a nose player to insert the star into the hook. So I hope you find this video useful, and you can try this at your home and make beautiful earrings to match your dresses. And this is so simple and very easy to follow. If you are a beginner, please check out my other videos on crochet basics. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next interesting video.